This is a jackhammer, and this is a rock. Our planet is full of rocks. Most rocks keep to themselves, but some rocks get right in your face. They force you to think about rocks, even if you've never thought about rocks before. And then you've got a choice, go around or go through. For most of my life, I went around. If a rock appeared in my life, I just went around it. I went around all the rocks until I was no longer on the road of my own life. Think about that. I've thought about it a lot. I was no longer on the road of my own life. And then one day I had a what if moment. What if, instead of going around, I went through? That what if moment transforms my paradigm, and it could transform your paradigm too. So I'd like to invite you on a journey. It's a journey of discovery. In this video series, I'm going to show you the actual rocks I hammered with my jackhammer and share the jackhammer philosophy that grew stronger in my mind each time I hammered a rock. I'll also include some quick tech tips on how to get the best out of your jackhammering. So let's begin this journey with something pretty special, my very first rock. It was only a little rock, but it taught me two big lessons. First, I learned that there's a lot of technique to hammering rocks. It's a skill, and professional jackhammerers who do this for a living are pretty special. But mainly what I learned is that it's not about the rock, it's about your mind. Jackhammering gives your mind time to think, really think. In this video, you can't see inside my head, but there were thoughts going on inside my head that hadn't gone on before. Amazing new thoughts. Think about that. Just by jackhammering this rock, I was filling my head with amazing new thoughts. My face looks calm in this video, but that's only because I was stunned. Something pretty special was happening, but I didn't understand what. Understanding that would take a bit more time, and a lot more jackhammering. I'll be back soon with more great jackhammering philosophy and also a quick tech tip. Before you watch part 2, think about the rocks on your road. Do you go round or do you go through?